Hello and welcome. In this new video, we will be talking about crypto wallets. We will cover the basics of what a crypto wallet is. Cryptocurrency wallets are software or hardware that allow you to store, manage and transfer cryptocurrencies. They are similar to a bank account, but instead of coins and bills, cryptocurrency wallets contain the private keys needed to access your cryptocurrencies. There are several benefits of using a crypto wallet. Here are some. Total control. The crypto wallet gives the user total control over their cryptocurrencies, without the need for an intermediary such as a bank. This means that the user has full control over their transactions and can decide when and how to use their cryptocurrencies. Security. Crypto wallets offer a high level of security, thanks to advanced encryption and the ability to keep your cryptocurrencies safe offline in a hardware wallet. Additionally, users can set custom levels of security, such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, and the use of strong passwords. Privacy. Transactions on crypto wallets are anonymous and do not require personal information such as name or physical address. Furthermore, the cryptocurrency blockchain is public but the transactions are pseudonymous, which means that the user's identity remains protected. Accessibility. Crypto wallets are accessible anywhere there is an internet connection, which means that the user can use their cryptocurrencies anywhere in the world. Costs. The costs of using a crypto wallet are generally low or even zero, unlike the costs associated with using traditional banking services. Speed in the transaction. To send or receive crypto in a wallet and simply takes a few minutes. It depends on the type of blockchain used and the amount of transaction waiting to be confirmed. It is usually much faster to send crypto via blockchain. In summary, crypto wallets offer a high level of control, security, privacy and accessibility and speed, as well as generally lower costs than traditional banking services. When you make a crypto transaction, the cryptocurrency is not sent directly to your bank account, but instead is transferred from one crypto wallet to another through the blockchain of the cryptocurrency used. In general, a crypto transaction takes place through the following steps. The user who wants to send cryptocurrencies from his crypto wallet must create a transaction on his wallet. The transaction is then transmitted to the network of the cryptocurrency used and is made available to the miners or validators of the network to be confirmed. Network miners or validators verify the transaction and, if they deem it valid, include it in a block of transactions within the cryptocurrency blockchain. The transaction block is then added to the blockchain and becomes immutable, meaning that the transaction has been confirmed and the cryptocurrencies have been transferred to the recipient's wallet. At this point, the cryptocurrencies have been transferred to the recipient's wallet and can be used for purchases or transferred to other wallets. If the user wishes to transfer cryptocurrencies from their crypto wallet to their bank account, they will first need to sell them on an exchange that supports the conversion of cryptocurrencies into fiat currency, such as euros or dollars, and then withdraw the funds from their exchange to their account banking. There are several types of cryptocurrency wallets, including desktop wallet, a software that can be downloaded to your computer, which allows you to manage cryptocurrencies locally. Mobile wallet, an application that can be installed on a smartphone or tablet, which allows you to manage cryptocurrencies on the go. Hardware wallet, a physical device that allows you to keep your private keys offline and safe, protecting them from any cyber attacks. Web wallet, an online service that allows you to manage cryptocurrencies from any device connected to the internet. The main difference between the different types of wallets is in security and accessibility. Desktop and mobile wallets are generally more accessible but less secure than hardware and web wallets. The latter, on the other hand, offer a higher level of security thanks to the offline storage of private keys. The words for a crypto wallet, also called a seed phrase or mnemonic phrase, are a series of random words, usually 12 to 24, used to recover access to one's wallet in the event of loss or misplacement of credentials access, password, PIN, private key, etc. These words are generated when you create a new crypto wallet and are only shown once, usually in the form of a list of random words in a specific order. It's extremely important that you store and keep these words in a safe, offline place, such as on a piece of paper or a secure storage device, such as an encrypted USB thumb drive. If you lose your crypto wallet login credentials, your passwords can be used to restore access to your wallet and recover your cryptocurrencies. It is important to keep in mind that wallet recovery passwords are the key to accessing your wallet and, if in the wrong hands, could allow third parties to gain access to your wallet and steal the cryptocurrencies contained within it. To keep your cryptocurrency wallets and secret words safe, it is important to follow a few best practices. Use hardware wallets. Hardware wallets, such as Ledger or Trezor, offer a high level of security thanks to their offline storage of private keys. Store secret words offline. Secret words, or seed phrases, are a series of words that allow you to regain access to your wallet. It's important to keep them in a safe, offline place, like a sheet of paper or a metal card. Use two-step verification. Many wallets offer the option to activate two-step verification, which requires you to enter a temporary code to access your wallet. Keep your computer or mobile device safe. It is important to use an antivirus and keep your operating system up to date to avoid any cyber attacks. If you lose your cryptocurrencies, there are a few options for trying to recover them, depending on the cause of the loss. For example, if you have lost your password or secret words, some wallets offer the option to restore access through a recovery process. If, on the other hand, you have been the victim of a theft or a cyber attack, recovering your cryptocurrencies could be more difficult or even impossible. Thank you for watching the video, and if you found it informative, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on notifications to stay up to date on new content. See you in the next video.